ओके सो लास्ट सेशन में हमने स्टार्ट किया था विद MySQL. So we are going to revise the same topic as V1 was not there in the last session. तो जो important links है वो मैं आपको chat box में फिलहाल शेयर कर देता हूँ. Those links you need to keep open and practice along with me. So सबसे पहली लिंक SQL cheat sheet की रहेगी and the second one is जो कंटेंट्स है हम इसमें कवर करने वाले डेटाबेस में. सो आप लोगों ने साथ साथ में ही मेरे प्रैक्टिस करनी है सो दैट यू कैन आल्सो.
Yes, sir. But what is an SQL?
हाँ, वो मैं स्टार्ट करने ही वाला हूँ. सेशन अभी तक मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया, मैं जस्ट बता ही रहा था.
ठीक है.
सो गाइज, जनरली व्हाट वी डू, प्रोग्राम करते वक्त हम यूजर से कुछ डेटा लेते हैं, उसके ऊपर प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं एंड प्रोसेसिंग का आउटपुट हम यूजर को शो करते हैं. ठीक. हाँ, प्रोसेसिंग का आउटपुट हम यूजर को शो करते हैं. बट इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, वो प्रोसेस किया हुआ डेटा कहीं स्टोर करके रखना पड़ता है. बिकॉज इफ आई कम टुमारो एंड इफ आई रन द सेम प्रोग्राम, द डेटा विल नॉट बी देयर. डेटा वहां से लॉस हो जाएगा प्रोसेस किया हुआ, तो वो फिर से प्रोसेस करना पड़ सकता है. सो ऐसे केस में यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस टू सेव योर डेटा इन सिस्टम. सबसे पहला है ऑप्शन कि आप किसी फाइल में उस डेटा को स्टोर करके रख दो. ओके, लेट्स से आप एक्सेल शीट बना के रख रहे हो, आप डॉक्यूमेंट बना के रख रहे हो, एक टीएक्सटी फाइल बना के रख सकते हो, वहां पर आप डेटा को स्टोर करके या सेव करके रख सकते हो. सेकंड ऑप्शन है कि आप उसको डेटाबेस सिस्टम में स्टोर करके रख सकते हो. ठीक, एक तो आप फाइल में स्टोर करके रख सकते हो, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज डेटाबेस, और आप वहां पर भी स्टोर करके रख सकते हो. ठीक, सो फाइल में रखने से बेटर डेटाबेस में रखना क्यों बेटर है, क्योंकि इफ वी स्टोर समथिंग इन फाइल तो वहां पे रिडंडेंसी का इशू हो सकता है. हो सकता है कि आप, जैसे हम अपने सिस्टम के अंदर अगर मैं फोटोज कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, कुछ दिनों के बाद ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो फोटोज में फिर से कॉपी करके पेस्ट करो, रिपीट हो सकती है, कोई भी इशू हो सकता है. राइट, हम फाइल भी डाउनलोड करते हैं जब इंटरनेट से, तो 2 बार डाउनलोड हो जाती है, उसका रीनेम हो जाता है अपने आप, तो रिडंडेंसी इशू हमेशा रहेगा ही रहेगा. ठीक, बट इन केस ऑफ डेटाबेस, डेटाबेस में हम ऐसा कुछ कंस्ट्रेंट लगा सकते हैं जिसकी वजह से आई कैन कंट्रोल माई डेटा कि वो डुप्लीकेट ना हो. ठीक, प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में रहे, मेंटेनेंस उसका ठीक रहे, कुछ अगर मुझे अपडेट करना है डेटा, तो वो सारी चीजें इजी हो जाती है व्हेन यू like save your data in database system. Okay, so that is nothing but database. और database के अंदर अगर मुझे डेटा स्टोर करके रखना है, so there is one programming language we use frequently in all the databases. We use only one programming language, that is called as SQL. SQL का फुल फॉर्म है स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज, और SQL, ठीक है, SQL स्टैंड फॉर स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज. मतलब आपको डेटाबेस के साथ मैनिपुलेशन करना है, डेटाबेस में डेटा इंसर्ट करना है, अपडेट करना है, डिलीट करना है या फिर देखना है. सो उसके लिए एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज या फिर लैंग्वेज यूज की जाती है, दैट वी कॉल्ड एज स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज. एंड इसी के ऊपर हम सबसे ज्यादा फोकस करने वाले हैं आज के सेशन में. और स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज में भी कुछ सब कैटेगरीज हैं. सो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज DDL, DML, DQL, DCL, TCL. ठीक है, बाकी सबके हम फुल फॉर्म बाद में देखेंगे व्हेन वी कम टू दैट पॉइंट. बट एज ऑफ नाउ, ओके, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट फोकस ऑन दिस टॉपिक DQL. ठीक, SQL का फुल फॉर्म हमने देखा था स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज, वैसे ही DQL का फुल फॉर्म है डेटा क्वेरी लैंग्वेज. ओके, DQL का फुल फॉर्म है डेटा क्वेरी लैंग्वेज, एंड विल ट्राई टू कवर एज मेनी कीवर्ड्स एज वी कैन. आज ही के आज हम विद इन एन आवर मोस्ट ऑफ द कीवर्ड्स ट्राई करेंगे कवर करने का. एंड साथ ही साथ आपको ये चीट शीट भी दी हुई है जिसको आपको फॉलो करना है. ठीक, इफ वी गेट स्टक इन बिटवीन, मिराया इज देयर, with us, वो हमें guide करेगी. Another
Yes.
one is, yeah, Saili ma'am is also there. She can also guide us. Okay, Saili and Ritika is
So
also.
I was trying to log into the database. What is the login thing that we put? It was something P something.
Yes. So everything is mentioned here in the cheat sheet. So I'm
Okay.
just pasting again this link in the chat box. Just you guys can bookmark this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So along with me, you can practice, guys. So Vivan and other new candidates, please log into your system, okay, by using your SSH connection. Okay. Please log into your system, and then after logging, you need to run this command. What is the command? MySQL -u dit user -p, and then enter. Shift 5 is your password. Okay, whatever password you have used for SSH connection, same password you need to use here. ट्राई करो गाइस, आपके स्क्रीन पे ऐसा आउटपुट दिखना चाहिए MySQL लॉगिन करने के बाद. वंस यू लॉग्ड इन इनटू SSH कनेक्शन करने के बाद यू नीड टू go to MySQL -u dit user and then -p, where dit user is username of that database software, and -p, after -p it prompt you the password. Okay, it prompt you to enter the password. You need to enter the password is shift 5, and then you can run. You can see this screen.
Yes, sir. It's coming.
Yes, let's wait for Vivan. Vivan, please give confirmation.
I'm just typing the
Yeah, please
password.
take your time.
Done.
So when we log in, we have to say show databases, right?
No databases. Okay, once we logged into the system, once we logged into MySQL, we need to run command show databases. Okay, show databases. It should show all the databases available on that CIA cloud server. There are 14 databases available, so all the databases list you should see. Run this command.
So it says error 1064 for 42,000. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponds to your MySQL server.
That's fine. There might be a small mistake, but can you please share your screen? Let me just stop my screen sharing. Allow your screen share. Okay, now you can share. Okay. Uh, do you remember I have told you that multi-line also you can write this SQL. So after show databases, if you have by mistake you have press enter, you can simply press semicolon and then enter. You don't need to type it again. Okay. Show databases. Show databases and then enter. semicolon. No. You don't need to type it again. You have already typed that show databases. So it will it allows you to line multi-line SQL. So you don't need to write it again and again. Okay. If you have written show databases and by mistake if you have pressed enter, you can simply press semicolon and then enter. You don't need to write it again.
Okay, sir. It's still showing the same error.
See, you have typed again show databases, semicolon. So two times it has taken show databases. Okay, you need to type it only once. Show databases. Okay, now enter. Yeah, you can simply press a semicolon and enter. Otherwise, you could have pressed enter and then semicolon also. Fine.
Sure,
So
I
it
have
is
a
showing
question.
all the databases, all 14 rows it is showing. Now, what we need to do, we need to get into ecom database. Which database we need to get in? Ecom database. Okay.
Sir, I
So
have a
use
question.
space ecom. Use space ecom.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, everyone will see.
Yeah, do we need, when we write show databases, is there supposed to be a colon or not?
Yes. I'm coming to your screen as well. So use space ecom is should be in small case. Okay, and database now change. Now you need to press show tables. Show tables. Now the last command, select star from employees. Select star from employees. And then semicolon. Star from employees. Can you stop sharing your screen, Miraya? Let me just check V1 screen. Yes, V1, please share your screen. Let us see what you have.
Yeah, 1 second. Can you see it?
Okay, Miraya, can you please help me here?
Okay, sir. Where is the error? Oh, show databases. After that, you just have to type a semicolon and enter. Done.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it is showing me all the list of databases available in MySQL server. Okay, MySQL software. Now, what we need to do? Okay, one more thing I need to clear. Why are we learning MySQL only in databases? So in Stack Overflow survey. Okay, last year's survey. Okay. So in databases list, you can see MySQL is still at top. Okay. Majority of the users in the world are using MySQL as their first choice for database. Okay. That is why we are learning. But after learning MySQL, the same SQL command you can run in Postgre, SQLite, MS SQL Server, Oracle as well. Okay. In many of the databases, the same SQL you can use, guys. Okay. That is why we are learning this MySQL. Okay. We are going to connect in future after getting after getting used to it. We are going to connect this Python with MySQL. Okay. All the data which we are getting from user, we are going to store it in MySQL, and from MySQL also we are going to read this data by using which programming language? Python programming language. Okay, but for that, first we need to understand everything about the MySQL. Okay, so show data bases is giving me all the list of databases. After that, you need to use command use space ecom to get into ecom database. To get into ecom database, what you need to run command use space ecom and then enter. It should show you the message, successful message, database changed.
So, if you write anything else, for example, if you write like use alpha, it'll say it's the database to alpha.
Sorry, come again. I'm curious.
So, for example, you don't write use ecom and you write use alpha, it'll say database change to alpha or something like that.
No, but you don't need to change it to alpha. We are going to use ecom database.
Okay.
Alpha Bravo is a different one. Okay, we are going to practice our DQL in ecom database. So you need
So, so is it so if MySQL is a database, so there are many sub database inside it. With so why are there many database inside MySQL?
so see, the bigger set is an operating system, right? In operating system, what we have in operating system, there are multiple software, right? The VLC player, the Chrome browser, right?
Yeah.
Apart from that, we have Python also a software. Okay. Similarly, MySQL is also a software. Okay.
Oh, it is a software where you can do Python.
Yes.
Is
Yes.
that
And
it?
in that MySQL software, there are multiple databases you can create.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. So MySQL is a software where someone can do Python, and in that you can use many databases.
You can create as many database as you want. There is no limit in creating database in MySQL software. So these are you can see Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. These are the different databases created by other students as well. Okay. For practice, we are going to use ecom database. So we want you need to use ecom database to practice the same. Okay. Just get into ecom database by using the command use space ecom.
Okay.
And in that ecom database, you can simply say show tables. Okay. Sometimes see it is not even showing you in which databases I am in right now. Okay. So by just hitting show tables, it is showing tables in ecom. The column name is tables in ecom. So you can easily identify in which database I am in right now. Which database is active right now, it is showing. Show tables, it should show you show tables will should show you tables in ecom, and out of this tables in ecom, we need to fetch data from employees table. Okay, we need to fetch data from employees table. So generally we type all the MySQL keyword in capital letter, select star from, and we always write a table name in small case. Okay, we always write table name in small case. So select star from employees. It should show you data like this.
But sir, I wrote select, and from also I wrote it small, but it came for me.
Yes, the output will definitely come, but it is recommended. It is recommended. You should write the SQL keyword in.
Okay,
See,
capital.
we W3 Schools is a very popular website. Here we can uh, see this command. Can you see? Select keyword is in capital letter. From keyword is also in capital letter. Okay. Otherwise, these are the column names and table name. We generally use either camel case or small case. For our practice, we are going to use all the MySQL keywords in capital case to just differentiate which is the MySQL keyword and which are my own custom column name and table. Fine. Vivan, please give confirmation with if you are able to see this data. Yes.
Yeah, I'm just writing that. So it's select asterisk from employees.
From employees. Why employees? Because we can see employees table is available there. Okay, that is why we are fetching data from that table. Now, what is table? Simply we can understand. Simply we can see by the output. It is a collection of records. Okay, in single row you can find collection record, and it stores in row and column wise. Okay, similar to your Excel sheet. Okay, Google sheet or Excel sheet, which store data in that format.
Yes, so it's working for me.
Great. So the first keyword is select and from, that we have seen from our SQL DQL. Okay, select star and from, these three keywords we have seen. Now the next one is column. Okay, next one is column. So in database word, we call it as a projection of column data. Okay, projection of columns. So suppose I want to show only name, address and salary. Out of these all columns, I want to show name, address and salary. So Miraya, can you please guide me? How can I show only name, address and salary column?
So you have to say select, and then you have to say name, address, and salary
Okay.
from
Let's
employees, I think.
salary from. Okay, great. So Vivan, please try this command and show project only three columns: name, address, and salary. Just project these three columns.
Yeah, okay. So we'll select the. I'm just writing it up.
It should show only three columns. Okay, it should project only three
So,
columns.
so I made a typo in the first one. So what do I do now? Now it's just showing me arrows.
Sorry.
So in the starting thing, I made a typo, and then when I redid my type, when I corrected it, it's just showing me arrows. So like, what do I need to do?
Okay. It's like this.
Yeah.
So you can simply press semicolon and enter.
Okay.
Okay, and you can type it again.
Okay. Yeah. So it's working.
Great. Now the next command is alias. Okay. The next command is alias. Alias or nickname, you can say. So can we give a different name to address? Yes. While projecting, we can simply say address as city. Okay. Address as city. So it will consider it will take that address column, but while projecting, while showing to the user, it will show the instead of address, it will show city. So that is nothing but called as alias. You can use alias for any column, any number of column names, or for table name also you can use, right? For table as E.
So it's working.
Great. For Vivan?
Yeah, it's working.
Great. Now, the next keyword is distinct. Okay. The next keyword is distinct. See, I can see there are multiple entries for this city. Okay. The Nasik is coming twice. Kolhapur, Nagpur is coming also twice. Okay. So if I want to see all the distinct city, okay, how many employees are there? Like how many cities are there? Unique cities. So unique entries of cities, I can simply say distinct space address from employees. So it will show me the unique entries from for that address. Okay, order address column. So try this command, which will show unique entries of address. So 9 rows. If I remove distinct, then it will show the like repeated values also it is shown. I want the distinct unique addresses. I'm using distinct keyword you can use.
Wait, so I didn't understand the part about distinct.
Yeah, unique entries it will show. Okay. I just want to find out from which cities I have employees from how many cities. Okay. So this is giving me the wrong output. Okay. This is giving me wrong output. It is showing 13 rows, but there are some rows which are duplicate. So I want to just skip that duplicate rows. Okay. I want unique entries. So that is why I am putting this keyword distinct. Okay. Distinct function also you can say. So it is showing me 9 rows. So from how many cities I have employees? I have employees from 9 cities. Okay. It is showing. It will give you unique entries. Distinct keyword. Vidya, Vivan, please give confirmation.
Okay.
Yeah. Unique entries it is showing.
Yes.
So the next and important keyword which you are going to use very frequently. So that is where clause. Okay, that is where clause. So let's try use where clause. Let's say I want to show all the employees from Mumbai. Okay, all the employees from Mumbai. So where address equals address equals and in single quote because it is a string should be in single quote or double quote Mumbai. So I have only one employee from Mumbai. Try this command. Yes.
Yeah, so it's working.
Vivan, can you please show me all the employees from either the employee should be from Mumbai or Nagpur. So in that case, what we need to do? Or keyword and then address equals to Nagpur.
And all has to be capitalized.
Yes, because it's a keyword, MySQL keyword, SQL keyword.
Yeah. It is a keyword.
So address Mumbai or address equals to Nagpur. Now one more thing, I want all the employees whose salary is greater than 85,000. Okay, from Mumbai and Nagpur, but the salary should be greater than 85,000. So in that case, instead of or, we need to add and then what is the column name? Salary greater than 85,000. It is showing only two.
So what is the difference between and or?
See, if I put address equals to Mumbai and address equals to Nagpur, in that case, no one will have the same city, none of the employees can live in both the cities, right? So for same column, you could use or. Okay, it is like simply your in Python also we have seen the or in if else condition. Okay, or operator. It is similar to that only. Okay, here in this particular SQL query, what it is searching? It is searching for address equals to Mumbai or address equals to Nagpur. It will show all the data from Mumbai and from Nagpur as well. Okay, but for salary we are keeping, okay, for salary we are keeping and. If I remove that and will put or, then it will show data from other cities as well. Can you see?
Oh,
It is
okay.
showing me data. Yeah.
So it's not showing all of them correctly.
Yes, I want to limit the data for Mumbai, Nagpur. Okay, either the employee should from Mumbai or for Nagpur, and from that Mumbai and Nagpur only, it should have salary greater than 85,000. So that is why the correct way to write this is
Instead of or, it'll be and.
this. Yeah, this is the better way to write. So in round bracket, you can see the address should from Nagpur or Mumbai, and from Nagpur and Mumbai, the employee should have salary greater than 85,000. Now this is showing you.
Mine is not working. Can you check it once? It's everything is working except the where Mumbai or Nagpur and the salary. I've not done the salary yet. I tried doing the where Mumbai, but it still didn't work.
Yeah,
Go
maybe
ahead.
you might have used and operator, but just show me your screen. Yeah. No, 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 no. Vivan, can you please see this query? The select name, address as city, salary from employees where address equals to Mumbai. Where
Okay,
address
okay.
equals to Mumbai. It
But
is
it
not
will also has
guessing which column name you are searching for. Okay, so up arrow and then after where you can put address. Address column.
Okay, and then I can put where address and what so
No,
we are
it's
using all.
not and. You
Can't we
should
use and here also?
or you will be like comparing, like it has to be this or it can be this. But add means you can group them both together.
okay.
Oh, okay.
Let me try. Can you stay in both the cities at the same time?
No.
No. That is why it should show or. Okay. So address equals to Mumbai or address equals to Nagpur. So it will take it will show all the data, all the employees who are from Mumbai or Nagpur. You should not say Mumbai and Nagpur. Either from Mumbai or from Nagpur. And out of these two cities, I want all the employees whose salary is greater than 85,000. In that case, you need to put and.
Okay, yes, it's coming.
You'll get used to it after we are going to practice a lot on this. Fine. Unshare your screen. Now, let's say I want to show all the employees having salary more than 50,000. Okay. All the employees whose salary is more than 50,000. Now, in this case, if I want to show salary between, okay, 50,000 and 80,000, okay, so what I can do, where salary greater than 50,000 and salary less than 80,000. Okay, there is no salary in between, so less than or equals to I'll put. Same one employee is having. Okay, we have seen where we have used a single column name twice, but in some cases this is like very frustrating writing again and again. So in that case, if you are using a same column name where address is Mumbai or Nagpur, so you can replace it by using in operator. Which operator, guys? In operator. You can use. Okay. So in operator, let's say from Nagpur, and also you need to put Nashik. So this would be easy. Try this in operator.
In can be used in brackets and whatever is inside that will come, right?
Yes, it will be considered as address equals to Mumbai, or address equals to Nagpur, or address equals to Nashik. But it is very like the code, the command will get messy by writing again and again that address, address, address. So instead of that, you can put in operator and simply put the values inside the round bracket. Okay, the next one is very interesting. Like this. Okay.
Sir, my one is not working.
Okay, please share your screen. Okay, again you have done the same mistake, I think. No. Address, salary, name from employees where address in Mumbai. Okay, you have missed the comma in between. After Mumbai, there should be comma, isn't it? Getting it,
That's
guys?
all.
Yeah,
Yes.
great. So just stop screen sharing. The next one we are going to see. Okay. Now I have all the data. There are 13 rows and we different people are there. Let's say I want to show all the records whose name starts with start with character V. Okay. So in that case, what you need to do, where name like and instead of equal, what we are using instead of equal, let's say with equal and then A. But after sorry,
But
V.
sir, the name won't just be V, right?
Yes. So if I put this, so it won't give me proper output. Okay, because it is trying to match the exact character V. So there is no name with the character V.
V.
We want it should start with V. So what we will put after V, we need to put percent symbol. Okay, it is like percent is a wild card. Okay, percent is like a wild card. So after V, any character is on, any number of character is coming, it will definitely show you the output. Then enter. But if you are using wildcard, in that case, you need to put which operator, guys? Like
Like,
operator. In that case, you need to put like operator. Can you please show this, guys? The
uh,
name starts with V or the name start with H. Okay. Show me all the employees whose name starts with V or H. H for Hindustan. Okay. So all the employees whose name starts with V or H, you can put name like H person. Okay, so it is showing me all the employees. Now, if I want all the employees whose name contains I symbol, So I should be either in at the right start of the name. It could be at the end of the name. It could be between the name. Okay, so this is what you can do. Like And if I want all the employees whose name does not contain I, in that case, you can put not like. Okay. In that case, you can put not like. Let's try this command, guys. Whose name starts with whose name contains I and whose name does not contains I. Okay, guys. So now the next one is, let's say I want to show all the employees records, but it should order by salary. It should be sorted by salary. So in that case, we need to use clause order by clause and salary. It is showing the smallest at the top and the highest salary at the bottom. Miraya, hello Miraya.
Yes, sir.
Can you please help me to show the records in descending order of salary? Okay.
Okay. Descend. You have to write descend.
Okay. So after order by salary space BES. Okay.
Yeah.
So by default, it should order by ascending order, that is ASC.
Yes. So, 1 minute. My MySQL have just logged out for some reason. I'm just logging back into it.
Yeah, no issue. Just take your time.
So I have a question. How do you create your like own list with this? I'll just be right back.
Done, Mira?
1 second, sir. I'm doing that not I thing.
Okay. Vivan, are you done with this 2 SQL?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, you need to put this order by salary, but in descending order, like sort by salary in descending order
Okay.
and ascending order. Okay. For ascending order, you need to put ASC symbol, and ASC is optional. By default, it sort by ascending order only. But for descending, you need to put the keyword DESC.
Sir, could you go up a bit, please? And yeah. So my that the one before this is not working.
The all the employees whose name does not contain I. Okay, is this what you are trying?
No. So this one is working. The other one, the V or H one, is not working. The I's are working, and the other and all are working.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Mm,
No, after or in programming you have also used in Python also we have checked like among three numbers when we tried to find the greatest among three number we have used A is greater than B or A is greater than C, right? So we need to
yeah.
use column name again and again, okay, where name like V percent or name like H percent.
Oh, okay.
Okay, in programming because it might get confused whether you have used it for name column or address column. That is why we need to specify we have used it for name column.
Okay. I'll just do the ascending descending one now.
Okay, do it. Okay, Vivan, only last SQL command we are going to see and then we will wrap up for today.
Okay.
So the last command is limit. Okay, the last clause is limit. Yes, limit 3. I can limit the output. I can limit the output by providing the limit keyword and space the digit, the number. How many records I want to limit. Suppose I want only 5 records, so I can limit it to 5. Once one small class for guys, you need to write SQL to find highest salary using distinct and limit keyword. Using distinct and limit keyword. Can you guys please write this? SQL. This is a class for, and then with array.
Okay.
I just want to find the highest salary. I don't want to find the names and all, just the highest salary. If the highest salary is 1 lakh, it should show 1 lakh output. Okay, you need to use this two keywords, distinct and limit. Distinct, limit, and order by as well. Try this is.
Wait, so you don't want the name, you just want the salary.
Sorry, come again.
You only want the name, not the salary.
It only wants the salary. I want to show only salary. Like select salary from employees. But it is showing me all the salaries. I want the highest one. So I can simply say salary order by salary. But it is showing me last record. At last it is showing. So I can simply put
DAS.
DES.
Yes, sir, DAS.
And can I use one, limit one? Yes. That's how you should show. So step by step you need to sort it out. And distinct salary also I can put. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. This is the SQL test you need to solve. I'll share it in the WhatsApp group as well. And many of the programs you can try it by yourself, but some of the programs you might need my help. So that we will see in the next session. Next week, I think we might not meet next week. Next 2-3 weeks, there is a holiday. But I'll let you know, guys, when we can have the next session. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
so this is it for today. I'll upload this video. If you have subscribed to the channel, you might get the notification as well. And try these commands. Try this again and again. Try to solve this very good assignment I have created. Select employees in descending order salary. Select all employees from Mumbai. So these are the basic questions. But if you want to practice, these are the very good assignment. Okay. Try this. If you get stuck in between, you can put it in the chat group. And if you are not able to find any solution anywhere, so we can see that in next session. Okay. Chalo. See you guys. Thank you, Vivan, Miraya, and
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you very
Bye,
much.
sir.